Hi, I'm Dr Dan Nightingale and I'm a clinical dementia specialist, and I have decided to create this YouTube channel in order to educate people. It is possible to live well with dementia. It doesn't matter what kind of dementia it is, and it doesn't matter where in the journey the individual is in their dementia. It is possible to live well with it. And if you follow my YouTube channel and watch the regular videos that are posted, I can teach you how to live well with dementia. I can help relatives, I can help families, and I can help professionals to better support people to live really well with whatever their challenges are. So, regularly, throughout the week, educational videos will be posted. You can ask me questions. I want engagement. I need you to ask me questions. Anything that you're living with, any challenges you may have, I can help you with them. So please ask questions. Go to my website, drdanielnightingale.com. You can contact me through there. And I look forward to helping you, and I look forward to being of a resource for you. So have a fantastic day. Contact me when you need me. And please watch the videos. Thanks, guys.